guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing another hair transformation. So we're doing using a 9% developer and a hair dye to do this hair transformation. So I'm just going to eyeballing the quantity of dye I'm going to be using. So I'm just going to pour enough of the dye into a container and then apply enough of the developer into it. So there's no particular measurement, but you can measure it if you want to, but I just kind of eyeball the quantity I would need for the hair coloration, and I added enough of the developer into it just so it's very watery, not so watery that is running, but watery enough not to run. Because if it's watery, the transformation is going to be gradual. It's not going to be fast, it's going to be gradual, so that all the hair will have the same quantity and have the same level of coloration. So that is why I made it a little bit watery but not running, just the way it is in the picture, in the video. So that is how you're going to do yours. And if you want, you can make it very thick if you want to. If it's very thick, then the coloration is going to be very fast, but then I don't want some side to be brighter than the other side, so that's why I made it a little bit watery, so that it will take its time in transforming. So I've already gone ahead to section the hair into parts because I want the hair to have dark root just like this. So you're going to use little rubber bands like this to section out the hair into section, just so you have a dark root. And guys, please like this video if you're enjoying it already, and also share with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'll be bringing you content like this and a whole lot more content, so please subscribe. So I'm going to be running the dye from the root to the ends just like this. So I'm going to be repeating this process until the whole hair is covered with the hair dye. So now I'm going to apply a little bit of the hair dye onto the hair just like this, what I'm doing right now, because I want the root to have traces of blonde hair color. So this is what I'm doing now, massaging the whole hair together. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video please by supporting me. So I'm going to cover the whole hair with a polythene bag and let it sit for like 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, this is what the hair is looking like right now. It has already turned into the color that I want. So I've already gone ahead to wash it. So this is how it's looking right now, because I don't want it to be very sharp. So this is the end result of the hair. Isn't it lovely? Please like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So I'm going to be showing you some pictures of the hair.